TSLA Stock News 2020. TSLA stock is a ticker symbol and it stands for Tesla stock. So the last time I recorded the video about the Tesla stock was on 10th June 2020, so roughly like 2 months ago. Let's check the calendar real quick. Yeah, roughly like 2 months ago. And at the time the stock price was like $1,016 US. So let's do the math real quick. So right now, as of 6 August 2020, the stock price is at $1,490 divided by 1,016. So that's an increase of about 47% within 2 months. Oh yeah, and subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Yeah, let's continue. So yeah, within 2 months. So to talk more about the target price at the end of this year, so at the end of 2020, if the stock price continues this kind of growth, which it very likely will, because according to the earnings report, the current world crisis doesn't have much impact to the company. So let's do the math here. So at the end of this, further 2 months, another 2 months with this same growth rate. So let's do the math here. It's like 1,489. So 2 more months with this kind of growth rate, it will be about $2,184 US. So it's safe to assume that at the end of this year, the stock price will be at least $2,000 US. Alright, so next, the market capitalization is 277 billion US. So just to give you an idea what this kind of number means, it literally means that the market capitalization of Tesla stock is more than the 5 German car makers combined. Yes, 5 German car makers combined. And the German car makers are also one of the biggest car makers in the world. So in this case, like Volkswagen, Audi, BMW, Mercedes, Porsche. So bigger than all of these 5 combined. So I don't know what you think about it, but if that's not incredible, I don't know what it is. Alright, so let's have a quick look at the earnings report. So they released the earnings report the second quarter 2020, which means the 3 months of the second quarter. So it is April, May, and June. So let's look at it, what they want to tell us. So they could increase their cash. So they have like roughly almost $9 billion US in cash, and they have 4 quarters of sequential profitability, which means they fulfill all the requirements to be included in the S&P 500. So there will be a committee that will decide whether the Tesla company, the Tesla stock, will be included in the S&P 500. And yeah, as they mentioned here, their company is very strong resilience during this world crisis. All right, next. So here's their financial summary, and as you can see here, the second quarter, so last year, the second quarter 2019, they gross margin, so the profit margin per car on average is like roughly 19%, and they could increase it steadily up to now to 25%, 25.4%. So just to give you a rough idea what this kind of number means, let's compare it with the biggest car maker in the world, which is in this case, for example, Volkswagen, the German car maker. So it is the German car maker Volkswagen is founded in 1937. So it's a very well, they old company, if you want to say so. So yeah, they have very much experience in producing cars, and Tesla is kind of new and young company. It was founded in 2003. And this company is like 83 years old or so. So in their profit margin per car mounted is like 19%, the gross margin. 19%. And another biggest world car maker is like the Japanese car maker like Toyota. And it was also founded in 1937, and their gross margin is roughly like 25%. So now you can see it can even outperform, I mean, not outperform, but Tesla can even produce cars more efficiently than the biggest car makers in the world right now. Although, so it's like comparing like a young kid with an outgrown adult, and still the young kid can work more efficiently than the outgrown old adult, although the outgrown adult has way more experience. So that's kind of interesting. Well, too interesting for me. I'm not sure what you guys think about it. And okay, and next, the profit. All right, here it is. So they could make a profit in the most recent quarter, a profit of 104 million US dollars. Let's see what they want to say next. Oh yeah, they just announced, they announced like a few weeks ago that they will open a new US gigafactory, which will be in Austin, Texas, to produce more cars. So they will increase the car deliveries. All right, and the German gigafactory in Berlin. Well, actually it's in Brandenburg, but nobody knows about Brandenburg, so it's kind of close to Berlin, so that's why they say Berlin, although it's in Brandenburg, but whatever. And they will build it roughly about in July 2021, so next year, roughly, with about 4,000 employees. All right, so here a few pictures of them. This was the gross margin. And the CEO of Volkswagen says that Tesla will be the most valuable company in the world. So even the competitor says it, which is quite interesting. So yeah, very interesting. Next, Tesla will increase their battery with 20% energy density, which means that they will increase the range of their Tesla cars, and also maybe they could also even make the Tesla car price even more attractive than it currently even is. And there will be also an event. It's called Battery Day on September 2015. And yeah, so there will be rumors that in this kind of new technology, it will last longer than the current technology. So currently the range of the battery, it lasts like 5,000 miles, and the new battery will last like double as much. So that will be more attractive for the car itself. So yeah, there's also a rumor that there will be a new kind of car. It's called a compact car from Tesla. So yeah, there's some news there. So a lot of new innovation, which keeps the stock price even higher, which makes the company even more valuable. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask, or feedbacks or comments, feel free to leave them in the video description below. And subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos, and see you next time.